Meaning of embalmer.
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 Embalmer. An embalmer is a professional who prepares deceased bodies for burial or cremation. The process of embalming involves cleaning and disinfecting the body, as well as injecting preservative chemicals to slow down decomposition. The embalmer may also apply cosmetics or dress the body, to make it presentable for viewing at a funeral or wake. Overall, the role of an embalmer is to provide a dignified final appearance for the deceased and help ease the grieving process for their loved ones.